So today we'll discuss about how to upload the contacts or the data, as we can say. So as we all know that once we log in through the admin credentials, the first screen that we come across is this screen. This is the dashboard that we call, which gives us a complete overview of your account, along with all the summary, analysis, and all the shortcut keys. Now, in order to upload the data, we do have an option in each and every campaign also. So let's go to any of the pipeline. Once we go to any of the pipeline, we can click on any of the pipeline like sales. In sales, there are a couple of campaigns are there. So if you just want to click on any of the campaign, over here, there's an action button at the top. If you just click on the action button, there's an upload leads option. If you click on upload leads, from here also, you'll be able to upload it. Along with that, if you just cross it off in the dashboard area, over here also upload leads option is there. Once we click on upload leads, then again this option will come to browse the file or to select the file, and then an option will come to select a campaign or to create a new campaign. But along with that, there is another option. That is, in the left hand side, there's a contacts option. Once we click on contacts, we can see that there are a couple of like search buttons are there, like one contact name, contact number, city, product category, and all. Okay. Along with contact name and number, these are not being visible if I like normally. These are not default one. So at the top, there's a custom contact properties you can see. If you just click on custom contact properties, there are a couple of options we can see. Let's say if I just disable it, what will happen? Just have a look at it. I've disabled all the particular custom contact properties. If I just go back, I can see only contact name and contact number. So these two things are the main search button. So if you want to search any of the lead as per any of the contact name or the contact number, we would be able to do it from you. If in case along with contact name and contact number, if you want any other search and filter button or search and filter option, so let's say in our data there's name, number, and city is also there, or age is also there. We want that once the data gets uploaded and the working gets started, we want to filter out the data as per the city wise also, or as per the age wise also. Then at that point of time, what we need to do, we just need to simply go to this custom contact properties, and then accordingly we can just simply click on add and add a property. And over here in my account already these properties are been added. So in order to get it visible in the contact section, we just need to enable it like this. So let's say city and product category, I have enabled it. I'll just go back. I can see the city and product category. This two search and filter option are visible now. So as per the city and product category, I'll be able to filter it out. Now, in order to upload the data, what we need to do, I'll click on upload contacts. I'll simply browse the data from my database. So I'll just, there's a demo data that I'm having in my system. I'll click on it. I'll click on open, and then there are two options coming up: add leads in existing campaign and create a new campaign. So if I have already created a campaign or I have an existing campaign, then I'll simply click on add leads in existing campaign, and from the select campaign, I'll select the particular campaign where I want to add this particular data. So let's say it's a test campaign, and then I'll click on next. Once I click on next, another window come up. So over here, I can see contact name, contact number, and all. On the right hand side, there are a couple of drop downs. If I just click on drop down, I can see whatever the headers are there, whatever the columns are there in my data, the system has already read it. But now the system only able to understand that which column belongs to name and which column belongs to number. So in order to determine that and to help the system to read, we need to map the particular field with the particular property. So contact num with contact name, contact number with contact number, and we don't have alternate contact number, so we'll leave it blank. Email address we don't have, we can just leave it blank, and there's additional settings. So over here, the lead duplicacy in this particular data in this particular campaign, what kind of lead duplicacy we wanted. If we just click on over here, there are a couple of lead duplicacies are there. Ignore means if there are duplicates, it will get ignored or deleted. Merge means if there are duplicates, all the duplicates will get merged up. It will show you as a one lead, and in that particular lead, when you click on it, then all the details will be there. Then how many times it has been duplicated or it has been tried to upload. And create duplicate means if there are duplicates, simply the system won't check for the duplicacy, automatically it will upload. So best is always merge duplicate to select, then set follow up. If I have a follow up date in my data, I can just like map that particular column with this follow up date. And if I have some condition that this particular data, this particular lead should go to that particular user, if I have that particular column also in my data, I would have simply map that particular column with this particular like for the property. Now, So name, number I do have, lead rubrics I have selected, and I'll click on next. Once I click on next, the custom contact property, the filter option that I've created, I need to map that also, or else the system won't be able to capture that which column belongs to city and which column belongs to product category. So I'll click on city. Product category I don't have in my data, so I'll just leave it blank and I'll click on simply submit. Once I click on submit, I'll click on OK. Then I can see the lead has been uploaded in this particular campaign. If I just simply click on view leads, I can see all the leads are being added, whatever I have tried to upload. Like today is 25th. We can see the date and 25th, 9:36 p.m. All the leads, whatever I tried to upload, it has been uploaded. If I just simply click on any of the lead, I can see all the details. Whatever the details were present in my data, it's been visible. And the custom details, the custom content property is city. The city I have uploaded and I have mapped it also. So as per the city, I'll be able to filter it out. So there's a filter option at the top. If I just simply click on filter, I can see there's a filter option available. So if I click on city and just type it of Kolkata for the reference, I'll click on search. So whatever the leads are been present from Kolkata location, I'll be able to see it over here. So I will be able to filter it out. So this is the way we can use the custom contact properties to filter it out, search it off, and to create it. And along with that, this is the way how we can upload the data. And then accordingly, it will get assigned to the users, and then they can easily start working on that. And then after that, we'll be able to check the reports that what is going on. So thank you for